Jamrock Home. Presents. Goat Thief Part 6. Jamaican movies full. Starring Sister Petra. Epic Boss.
Jerome! Jerome! How are you look boy there?
There's some mommy, man. Mommy,
Picnic, listen to me, not get on top of my last nerve.
Mommy,
Jerome, please to come. Every morning is the same thing with you and your sister. Where is your sister?
Mommy, me send her for the goat.
You send her for the goat them. No, you shouldn't go for the goat them, boy. You're not bigger than your sister. What are you doing?
Because she be before me.
She be, what you do?
Me I look for spray for
Little boy, you're not supposed to know this spray that I know you used yesterday. Come on, man, time is going to see the time is late. Picnic, one to you every morning, me have the same problem. One to you. One to you.
Mommy, I spray me the one.
This spray, you don't know where the spray keep. I know you used it yesterday.
I don't know which part she put it, mommy.
Listen to me. Let me tell you that you every morning me I feel call you and you not ready. And your sister ready and gone.
Mommy, she not gonna leave me.
But as she go for the goat and you are the boy and you supposed to go for the goat. Take this from me. One for you and one for your sister. And so the lunch money here.
Mommy, not like them biscuit here again.
You may not like them biscuit here. Anything me give you that you have to take and yam it is what me can afford. You know how many people that want that for eat?
When you buy the potato chips, see me and that my friend them a eat.
Who you nasty ugly face. What that have to do with me? You come tell me about what your friend them have. So you ready? You not shut up your mouth. Listen to me. You're lucky. Well, look here. Drink water. You didn't have to get none. Tell me something. So boy, you go to school for ready over what your friends them have. You see, if you come back here and tell me about what your friend them have again, you're not gonna like it. You hear me say?
Yes, mommy.
Don't come tell me about what your friend them have. It's what I give you. You're supposed to say, thank God say you get something. You know how much people would wish them could get a little snack? Eh? You come tell me about say, your friends them have potato chip. Anytime you can afford it, that's the time you will get it. And that is the time when you get big, go to school, go to college, get your degree and all of them something, then you can name more than potato chips. And never you dare come back and tell me what you want. You hear me, little pitney?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanna go thief and put parents to shame. I mean, I go to the way if you go no nothing for name. Take this from me. Let me tell you something. Make sure you don't tie the goat them at the front page and tie them in the bush. You hear me say?
Yes, ma'am.
And you make sure it's you tie them. You don't make your sister tie them so that them pull and get wet.
Yes, mommy.
And make it be the first and the last. Me have to talk to you about what other people have and what you have. Don't compare anything with nothing what nobody have. When me did I grow up, you know, say my parents couldn't afford it. It's Nutri, but me used to name. And sometimes she couldn't afford it. Me still go to school.
Mommy say how much you must give her? $500?
$500 and give her the $50, you take the $100. So that means that she will get $500 and $50, you get $600 because you're older than her.
Alright, mommy.
Learn to be grateful in life. You hear me?
Yes, mommy, later.
Alright, love you.
Love you too, mommy.
Jerome,
Yeah.
I want to take you so long. Hurry up now.
I want to make where you put the spray.
What I mean when I put this spray?
I mean, I also wait for the mommy I come and talk about say every morning, me late and something.
What mommy mean by every morning? After no morning now, no near afternoon.
Yeah.
But you know, so they got them out for manager and you staying at the house so long, man. Remember, so we have a bus for catching if that the bus they come and gone, we not go to school, you know.
Yeah, and take evening shift, you know, me get tired of it, you know.
Uncle, this all one?
Yes.
So, she couldn't give one drinks.
When me go to school, me give you $500 because she said $550 if you get a me.
$550?
Yes, if you get $600.
So, me want carry me one money.
Oh, me I go get a $1,000 this. Me have to go change it and
Well, it
give you
got them
$500.
because you shouldn't go for them because you are boy fit.
They tired of them goat there now. Mommy not just tell them, man. Every evening me have to go to school and I smell like goat.
So
Hello, them rope thing.
But how we pet them, you know, if we say there is something there, at least we have something where we can sell when we want money.
Come no sister, we late, you know.
Come. Yeah, put it sitting in my bag, where you not gonna?
Come, man.
me alone.
All right, take it easy, my husband. Oh, Lord have mercy. Go up on the bed. No, sir, these people, they're deadly as hell. Me, take your time, my husband. These thieves have no heart. No heart in their stomach. Oh, Lord. You all right?
My wife, if you alright, and then thief the two goat, then my wife.
Come on, inhale a little more alcohol. Take it easy, you hear?
My wife, I just don't feel good. I don't feel good.
I understand. All right, my husband, I'm going to call the police. I'm going to call the police. You hear me?
Yes, my wife.
My God.
From the man, can't get this morning, you know.
Jerome! Jerome!
Yes, sis.
We are go?
Mommy said must tie them a bush.
No, you can't tie the goat them a bush today. You're mad, you know, since the time gone. Tie the
But
goat.
mommy give me strict orders, so me not to leave them on the roadside. Must
Yes,
tie
but
them over
time
a
ago,
bush.
you know, since the afternoon bus soon pass and how we don't go to school. Tie them here so you idiot at the roadside. Nobody no thief goat at roadside. Look like you're not no sense.
Try and make sure so you not tell mommy see a roadside me tie goat. You know.
Why me I go tell mommy that? Why me I go tell mommy? Mommy expects that we when we go in a bush in our uniform to make we full of burr and smell bad, smell like bush. Me and they got no bush and smell like bush. See we already smell like goat there.
You say bring any water me can use.
Why you ask me bring water for me never tell us say where the water where you carry when you give me the snacks.
So when time you pull them, why you never just bring one bucket of water so we can wash off your hands?
Why me never bring bucket of water you last did leave over yard. So now we smell a goat. And hurry up, me say.
Yes, hear what me I say, right?
What?
Why you not go stop the bus and make me just to tie them over the bush? Because you just don't want mommy pass and see goat in your so sis and later on me go get beat.
Come on, idiot. Mommy nah pass. You know say mommy nah go nowhere and we late for school. Come, you're too stupid.
You know all.
They don't business about that. They don't care.
Morning, my wife, me have to get up early. All of that gone down the drain.
It's not going to go like that, you know. Hello, good morning. I am Madam Josiah calling from Ocherias. Yes. I want to file a report. We have 2 goat and thief gone with the 2 of them. What you saying, officer? I have to come down by the station. I don't think I can.
I don't have the strength for what.
My husband don't have the strength to come today.
If anything, I in the morning,
My husband said if he can come in the morning because he's very weak. Them lick me husband for 6 me, I tell you, officer. Alright, we will come in the morning. You hear? Thank you, sir. No problem. Alright. Have a God bless day, sir.
Wife, I know me just a look into things in my wife. When we watch news at night time and see how the farmer them a cry when they lick all 15 of the animal one time, my wife. You know how that feel, my wife? If I just 2 will lose and me feel so imagine 15 one time.
My husband, those people when they catch them, the government have to do something serious about those thieves and
They cannot bring them to a prison and eat free food and the people them still in a pain, my wife.
But
no,
listen, I think it's the government fault. Because if they're just going to lock them up for a few weeks or a few months and let them go, they need to come with some drastic measurement for them.
So my wife, they should sentence to death, my wife.
Of course.
My wife, look into this. When rain fall, my wife, we
them catch them, them fi deal with them properly and don't serve for them.
That's why my wife, when me see them do them some breeder sitting in the movie, them my wife, I feel so good. Because when the members them catch them in the district and the way and
deal with them case.
I back them 500%.
But have to.
You understand my wife? Oh, you fi have your animal them and thief just come and move them
Don't
like that.
them and they don't even know what you have to go through to buy them and to struggle with them so that they reach mature stage. And now when they are ready to sell, them take them and sell them like it's their own. Mighty God of Daniel. I can't, and I think the government really need to look into these things more than what they're doing. You understand me? They need to sit down and think about it.
My wife, it's a deadly thing.
It is horrible.
Deadly,
It
my
is
wife.
horrible.
Look how we have planned for them to go out so we can make quite little money.
Little
In
money so
wife,
they can buy little food.
and now, nothing at all.
Oh Lord, my
All
husband.
these years me I go a bush, a tired goat, it's just for nothing at all. Ah,
Oh my
I
God.
better we eat them, my wife.
Of course. Boy, I tell you, I feel bad, man. I feel real bad. I never know that these people could, you know, that it happened in other district, and I just couldn't believe that it reached to us. When I saw it on the news, I feel it for them, but now that it happened to me, I feel like I want to lose my mind.
Yes, my wife, and when you check and stuff, you know, it's somebody who come from the same district, you know, my wife. Sometimes this money when you eat, we don't feed, we don't drink, we don't give them money, you know, my wife. And them are the one of the culprit.
You think so, my
Yes,
husband?
because a thief now go just come in our district like that, my wife, and just thief the goat, and then no escape route, no, my wife.
Then you think
It's must
somebody could have...
someone from in the district team up with them, and then split the money half and half and quarter, my wife.
Then you think that somebody could really eat and drink with us, my husband, and
Oh,
see
you
how we're
mean-
suffering and
You know,
take our goods?
my wife,
Oh, Lord.
because you're this world running nowadays. The same one where you kill you away, eat and drink with you, and them are the one where you feel afraid of.
Oh my God, my husband, no, sir, you make something move in my stomach. You make something move in my stomach. You know that I think sometimes I feel like I would do something else, you know. I feel like I would go somewhere for them, you
My
know.
wife, if the police don't catch them, my wife, one we already had on my wife, even if we spend the last little saving when me have to go make whosoever thief it ball like goat.
Man,
You understand, my
it's
wife?
true.
We can't afford for them and do people so,
If
my wife.
the police-
Somebody have to put a stop into this thing.
Listen to me. I am with you 100%, my husband.
Make
Make
them
them
ball
ball.
like goats, everybody
We
in
know
this
says
we
them
know
is the
who do
thief.
it.
Since that every minute they're going and thieving people goat and nothing happen. Make them ball like a goat. Enough is enough.
My wife, I
Take it
can't
easy,
manage
take it
my
easy.
wife.
You want to sleep, baby?
Yes,
Oh,
my wife.
Lord. Lay down and sleep. Never mind. Don't worry yourself if we go down to the station and them can't catch the crook. We know where to go. Don't it?
Yes, my wife.
Don't worry yourself. Take it easy.
First thing I'm morning, my wife, we can't go down there.
All right. Me and you know exactly where to go to put a stop into this. They come to the right house. I'm tired of them. Oh, no, watch ya. I'm more good there, so tomorrow me can be a billionaire. All right, no worry on yourself. Make me carry them and when I go tie them. I soon come back for me. What? Oh, no, come with me? No problem. Come on. What? I want Big Billy that.
That means I can't make about 180,000 for that day one day. You look good too. This an extra one here. A little brata come. Me not have to go strain myself. How are that with this? Alright. May I itch you yourself for the time being. I have to go my case on. And take them one day. I don't want nobody see me. The coast looks clear. Like at this right time. By the way, them the people that stupid stuff. Look how them this. Try the poor goat them in a lion mode. You look good, man. Look very good. Alright, I'll try. Find a way to yeah, them no one. Ah, that them big Billy there. Oh, them there's somebody that chop pizza. That the Billy there should have in a people yard. Alright, let me take that one here first. Well, no, Mama days have suffering over. Because rich we rich, you know. Rich we say Mama rich. Rich to the world. Come go to get it there, me and sister teeth, me the teeth. Oh, you stupid so. Me granny. Look how upon this a nice bill here. What? What? This a money don't sweet me. He say me can't pay down some money to the doctor for Mama when Mama fi go in, you know, fi pay nothing. And Mama medication money well sort out now. We plan all fi build one room and one bathroom give Mama. And Mama suffer too much. Hey, listen me. What the hell are they tie me up so far? You don't want to drop me? You don't must have chopping. What? What is that chopping? Watch out while the kid, me ain't see him. Stupid go. Why me they tell you say? This is one hectic job, you know? Fix up on yourself and talk like you know. Come over here, so you stupid sir. Oh, sister, you don't want to put me in this trouble. So, Lord, I hope that somebody there not see me. Ow, I want to put this a stupid Billy, you know. You quit it, stupid goat. Papa have me heel back. Oh, you fool, sir. Come it. My God, you want to mash up me? Well, me don't know people that raise them a thing and not teach them sense. Right here, so no go and tell. I don't know, make sure shut up on no big mouth. Come on, come on, sure. I don't know why I'm not gonna like you no chop it, so. I don't try me, I'm all around, no see, I don't make no nice. Because my friend, him look like him, have a heap of money. So, when he come, when he come in can find the money for all of you, me will follow him home because just to look at him, you know, say he have enough money. So we can't tell him the whole house. Alright. Me lively and ready for tomorrow. Over ready. And so people fi start out them business if you are deal with business proper. Alright. Go back home now. Shut up on your mouth. And the woman here, I don't know there, you know. The woman might not live here about people. We hear under their ball. So shut up on your mouth. hungry and tired, you see.
So we goat them there.
I hear say they tie them.
So me I tell you about. So me I tell you say me could bring the goat them go bush. Where goat them there?
I hear so we did tie them, so how could I move and goat them? How could I move and goat them?
So me I tell you, sis, me tell you, because mommy tell me to not leave them on the roadside, and you make me go. Because I know that me shouldn't follow you, you know.
I'm a plan to we went downstairs. The man want to buy 2 school shoes. I want fun for mommy, cause mommy
You chat too much, that me I tell you chat too much. Look where you come cast now.
I will end there.
You better pray say your mommy come for them here.
I must have mommy come for them.
I'm going to tell mommy say you tell me side, you know say this man she just got and make your butt left you walk to school, you know. You know you just sit, you do what you cause, just do your stubborn. You better pray say your mommy carry them home, yeah? You better pray. I mean, I tell her, say, you tell me if you tie them there. Ethic alongside system, PETRA. Up and Christ who them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me feel the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
And see the river just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me now give up cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now. Clear the path and the way for